problem with Windows 10. The error "the parameter is incorrect" pops up. Before the crash, I downloaded an antivirus program and something went wrong. My Avast antivirus worked. A virus was found in Drive C, in Program Files, and I accidentally deleted all these program files. Now, after restarting Windows, this cell appears: the parameters are not set correctly. The following also happens: I go into my disks and try to open the file with the left mouse button and the process slows down. One way to fix the problem: enter. We enter the command. The scan showed that the program found corrupted files and successfully repaired them. I hope SFC/Scano fixed my Windows, but my expectations were not met. Windows is still buggy. Method number 2. Checking the system disk. Go to Start, right-click, go to Windows PowerShell. Log in as administrator and enter the command. It is written to perform a check. At the next reboot, press. Now at the next reboot, the Windows PowerShell administrator will check the computer for errors. And if there are errors in the system disks, then PowerShell will detect and fix them. Unfortunately, this method did not help me and the critical error did not disappear. Method number 3, checking the system for viruses. You may have caught a virus when downloading files. At the moment, I have Avast antivirus installed. Open it and check the computer for viruses. Protection. If this method does not help, we do a full scan of the computer. There is also such an antivirus as Dr. Web. In the search engine we drive in a request. And the official website of the company appears on the first page. This antivirus is good because it can work with other antiviruses and it does not conflict with them. We boldly download this utility from the official site and analyze the state of the computer with it. Method number 4, update drivers that are corrupted or not working properly. Install or update drivers, preferably from the official website, for your computer. In the command line, go to the device manager and now we can see our drivers. If the driver is not working properly, a yellow triangle will be opposite it. You need to download a new driver or update it. Click on the damaged driver, left click on the device driver update. Click on automatic driver search. I have all the drivers updated. We update the drivers when the internet is on. Or we download drivers from trusted sites, manufacturers of your computers. Method number 5, restore Windows 10, return to the previous settings of the computer. Or reinstall Windows 10 from a disk or flash drive. But an alternative method is to restore Windows 10. Right-click on Start. You need to return your computer to its original state. If Windows is on a DVD or flash drive, you can reinstall Windows. You can also install a Windows image on your computer. But I have a Windows image. No, I will restore Windows without all this. Click Start. Now we need to select the parameters. Keep or delete files. If you have important files stored on your computer, save them to a separate disk. If you do not do this when reinstalling Windows, everything will be deleted. I will use method 1, save my files, since I have a lot of files I need. Now choose how to reinstall Windows, from the cloud or a local reinstall. Click Local Reinstall and click Next. The reinstallation of Windows has begun. We are waiting for the reinstallation. The update process has begun. Now 0% is updated. We are waiting for a full update of Windows. Updated already 19%. We are waiting for the end. 1.5 hours have already passed. Initialization has already ended. The system is already being installed. We do not turn off the laptop. We are waiting for the completion of the process. Windows has been reinstalled. Now let's check how the operating system works. The right mouse button works fine. It didn't work before. The error sales don't pop up. That's great. We go into Drive E. Here the right mouse button also works well. We open the video files. They are saved and the video player works fine. Important files in the P drive are preserved and open normally. Windows itself was running on the C drive, except for the operating system, there was nothing there. It remains for me to set up the desktop, load saved programs that are not needed to be deleted. Most important errors do not pop up, as it was before. Now Windows has earned well. So if you do not help the methods that were listed below, reinstalling Windows, in case of incorrect operation of Windows, will solve your problem. Reinstalling Windows, in case of incorrect operation of Windows, will solve your problem. Reinstalling Windows, in case of incorrect operation of Windows, will solve your problem.